You know what? I still haven't figured out where to look in the camera yet. I'm not sure where to focus. They say look at the camera light. Look at myself. Then I look straight. I think this is what I should be doing. Just look like you're over there. Anyway, so in my last video, I mentioned about I'm cooking at the same time. I mentioned about judging people. I don't have any issues with anyone. No one has judged me. No one has criticized my videos, thank God. I've received a lot of feedback from those who care, and it's good feedback, and everybody has encouraged me to continue posting my videos. But I did something a little different, and that is because I haven't been traveling, I was encouraged to continue posting even if my videos about travel and community events. So community activities, not too many right now. It's winter, of course we do have winter activities, but I am filling in my content with like what I'm doing right now, talking to you. So this is why I posted that video. So it has nothing to do with anything anyone told me about my video. Oh no, I wouldn't be venting that on YouTube. This is not the place that I would be venting. But as far as content creating, I am filling in the gap, you know, and making it fun and exciting also. And I didn't do this just out of the blue. I have heard it a lot, you know, people say they're judged. And yes, a little bit of my personal experience is there too, but it's nothing major, nothing that would have me worried and do a video on it. No, it's none of that. But anyway, this is what happened to me in the beginning. My videos had a lot of views. One of my videos went viral. I decided that this wasn't what I wanted to do, and I switched to what I'm doing right now, traveling, community events. My next video was gonna be in Boston, but I have decided to cancel that trip. So I have some exciting things coming. So right now what we have happening now in the winter is Sugar Bush, where you can see how maple syrup is extracted from the maple tree. So I'll be going there on a tour, and I'm decluttering. Lots to get rid of. Declutter is not fun. In the beginning I was excited about that. It seemed like a lot of fun, but now all the fun and excitement is gone out of it. And guess what I'm cooking, guys? I have corned beef. I don't know if you've ever tried corned beef. So I'm putting corned beef. What I do when I have the corned beef, sometimes I don't fry the whole thing. So I am frying some corned beef from the can. That's gonna go with either some rice or some bakes. Tell me how you cook your corned beef. It's like we get into a cooking class now. Where to look on the camera. I still haven't gotten it yet. You tell me. Let me know what you put in your corned beef, how you do your corned beef. I'll show you how I do mine beef. And Ottawa is considered the boring city. It's the capital. So Ottawa is the capital of Canada. And Ottawa happens to be the most, so they say, boring town, city in Canada. I love Ottawa because it's quiet. I like peace and quiet. So I've been here from day one since I got to this place, and this is Ottawa that I like. Not the same home, but the same city. But Ottawa is home for me, and like I said, I love the peace and quiet here in the city. Oh my, I love the kitchen. When I get into the kitchen, I can't seem to get out. And I really should be not cooking tonight, but I am cooking. Yeah, folks, I cook every night, every single night, because I have my son here. He loves food, but he's in the kitchen on at his part-time job. He loves cooking also, but not at home. So he cooks for himself when he feels like it. Last time I had to ask him, whatever it is you're cooking, is you cooking for mommy too? And he just looked at me. It wasn't anything I wanted, it was craft dinner. I'm not a craft dinner person. Yeah, so what I put in my corned beef, sometimes if I'm making it to have for breakfast, I'll just put onions. But if I'm cooking it as a meal, I put peppers and tomatoes. So I have yellow peppers, and it depends. Sometimes I omit the tomatoes. And no more seasoning. I just put a little turmeric just for color. So this is what it's looking like. Yeah. Today is tomorrow. Yesterday. I sing because I know nobody can hear me. Don't take back what unkind words you've said. I had to taste this one. It's yummy. And I don't cook it for too long. Tinalea. I don't know, this song is in my head. Come, little donkey, come. Why, pourquoi? Je ne sais pas. What can I tell you about Ottawa? It's boring, that's what they say. And it's bilingual. Chances are, if you're not bilingual, French and English, could be difficult to get a job here. In the government. Local private sectors too. But it has not been so hard that English people can't get jobs. There's a balance. Yeah. You have those peanuts that I keep eating. Alfredo. Fettuccine Alfredo. This is what I made my son. Oh, the sauce. Where is the sauce? Fettuccine Alfredo. This has absorbed all the sauce. It's got tuna in there. Oh, he can add more sauce if he wants. Da 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 da.